Hey everyone. If you are seeing the message waiting for this message, this may take a while on WhatsApp. Don't worry, it usually means there's a problem with the end-to-end encryption. Let me show you how to fix it. First, make sure both you and the sender are connected to the internet. This message shows up when WhatsApp can't decrypt the message, often because the sender's encryption key hasn't been downloaded yet. Ask the sender to open WhatsApp and stay online for a bit. Sometimes, once they're back online, the message will be decrypted automatically. Now, try restarting your phone. A simple reboot can refresh your connection and fix temporary glitches. If the message still doesn't load, check your WhatsApp version, go to the Play Store and update the app if there's a newer version available. Old version can sometimes cause syncing problems with encryption. Also, make sure Google Play services are updated, as WhatsApp relies on them for proper functioning. Still stuck? Ask the sender to resend the message or try starting a new conversation. If they recently reinstalled WhatsApp or switched phones, the encryption key might have changed, which could block older messages from being decrypted. And remember, clearing chat data or reinstalling WhatsApp will not bring the message back, so always try the other steps first. Then you can clear the cache and reinstall WhatsApp later. That's it. Hopefully this helps solve the issue. For more simple tech fixes, follow for more.